Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You should start by opening your camera or a QR scanner app and granting camera permission now. This lets the app access the lens immediately. Once done, make sure to hold the phone steady about 6-12 inches, roughly 15-30 centimeters, from the code so autofocus can lock. You want even lighting, avoid reflections and glare that confuse detection. If the camera prompts a notification or banner, pause and read it. Accepting the scan result is a separate, deliberate step. You need to center the QR code inside the viewfinder and keep that 6-12 inch distance, because size and alignment determine read success. If the camera hesitates, tap the screen to force focus. This helps in situations with fine pattern detail. Make sure to use a dedicated QR mode or turn on the flashlight for dim environments, since contrast matters more than megapixels. Also, if the code is on a screen, lower brightness slightly to reduce washout and improve. You should tap the preview that appears after a successful read, but take a moment to verify the domain or action before opening. Safety first. Once confirmed, choose Open, Save Contact, or Copy to Clipboard depending on the QR content. This preserves data if you want to revisit it. If a scan repeatedly fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Clean the camera lens with a microfiber cloth, confirm camera permission is enabled, and restart the app. These steps fix most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.